Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the smooth zoom transition tutorial in CapCut. So if you want to add a smooth zoom effect as your transition, you can just use this transition that I'll show you. So first click on the transition box and then go to camera, okay, and choose the pull in, this one. So the pull in can actually be used to become a smooth zoom. You can just adjust the duration, okay, to have a smooth zoom. You can just make it longer like this. Then after that, click on apply to all and click on a check icon. And now you are done with the smooth zoom transition. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!